Anyways, so today we are going to talk about goals. What are goals? Why should we set them? Like, why should we listen to me as far as talking about goals? And okay, so I'll give you a little background. I always been goal oriented. I always like if something pops in my mind, I have to do it. So, but on contrary, I've always been a procrastinator. So things would come in my mind, great ideas. I would know like, okay, by this time I want to do this, but I would never put any action or like take my time to put action towards what I wanted to do. So around 21-ish, I felt myself wanting a lot of things that just was not happening. And I'm like, I have all these great ideas in my mind. What am I going to do? So at that point, I set out. I'm like, you have to stop procrastinating. You have to start really sticking to your word. So I went for it. I was in the midst of dropping out of college and just spiraling, and so I told myself, you have to start being serious about life. So I got serious with life. I wrote down my goals. I started really taking action towards them, and so far I have completed every single goal that I have put my mind to, except for this weight loss. And let me tell you something, next year and not to say that I didn't make strides towards it, but I always revert back and gain weight or something like that. But anyway, so since really getting in that mindset, I have completed every goal I set out. So I come on here as someone who started off as a procrastinator, started off as someone who felt like, I can just keep my goals in my mind and it'll be okay. I know what I want to do, so it should happen, right? To someone who really put things into fruition, pray about them, manifest them, and get it done. You hear me? So once you get to canva.com, you're going to see this screen. And what you want to do is type in at the top what you want to decorate. So I'm going to put cell phone screensaver because that's what I'm using this document for. But yeah, you could put other options as well. Once you type that in, you are going to click on Canva templates. Once you get to the templates, you are going to see a variety. You want to click on the one that you want, the vibe that you are going for, right? And then once you click on the template that you want, you'll notice if you scroll down, you'll see a lot of options and just other templates that look similar to your template. And so you might see other things that you like, right? So you're going to click on that. And once you pick your template, you can go to, so prior to picking your template and even coming on Canva, you want to make sure that you write down words you want on your board, pictures, anything that you want to go on this board. You want to have pictures on your laptop or phone if you're using your mobile device already on the device that you're using. So you can just go straight to uploads once you get into the template and drag your pics over, and they'll drop right into the template wherever the existing, and replace the existing picture. Play around with it, move it, do everything. You can also
text on your board, effects on your text, and make your vision board appealing to you.
Create your vision boards. I see prayer boards now. I'm loving that. Fitness boards, wellness boards, fashion boards. Like, who do you want to be in 2025? And let's do it. And when you create your board, right? Personalize it. Make it you. I had a vision board party in 2023, and everybody's board looked different because everyone is different. Everyone is trying to attain different goals. Everyone is trying to do different things. Everyone has different styles. So make your board uniquely for you. But I'm going to show you guys how monthly I'm going to be creating like mini vision boards. Not that it doesn't have to be that much because I'm going to have my big physical board, but this is just to keep a reminder of what I need to do for that month. That's how serious we get in, y'all. We are every single month is going to be something that needs to be done, that needs to get down to the bottom of it.